Like, see, if in this question they said if the line current is 15 ampere, IL is equals to 15 ampere, total power consumed means active power, that is 11 kilowatt. 11 kilowatt means kilowatt is the active power unit, and volt ampere किसकी unit होती है? Apparent power. Okay, 15 kVA means apparent power. Now they are asking find the line and the phase voltage. We need to calculate line voltage and we need to calculate phase voltage. The VAR input, resistance, reactance of each coil. Means we need to calculate R, we need to calculate XL. Okay, so these three things are given. As you know, what is the formula for apparent power? That is √3 VL IL. Yes. So S is how much? 15. √3 as it is. VL we need to calculate. And IL is there. Right? So can we get the value for the apparent power? For the line voltage. And after getting line voltage, can we get the value for VPH? Yes or no? See, we will have the formula VPH is equals to IPH to ZPH. VPH we already calculated. IPH it's a star, so it's the same. ZPH we can get it, but we need to calculate Z in the form of rectangular form. Okay, so that is R plus JXL. If we'll compare it with R plus JXL, then in that case we'll get the value for R and we'll get the value for XL. Right? Understood? See, this is the question of star unbalanced, and star unbalanced थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके से होता है. VAB, VBC, VCA will have this. ZA, ZB, ZC they have given. Okay. But for star unbalanced we have to calculate according to the mesh analysis. Okay. So like suppose this is R, this is Y, this is B, this would be IR, this would be ये ZY होगा, ये ZB होगा. अच्छा, वो ZA, ZB, ZC यूज करके ना तो यहाँ ब्रैकेट में लिख लो Z, this is ZR, this is ZY, this is ZB. ठीक है, इनके टर्म्स में ये ZA हो गया, ये ZB हो गया और ये ZC हो गया. ठीक है, कंफ्यूज मत होना. ओके, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग RYB, तुम कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. जो इन्होंने दिया हुआ है वही मैं ले रही हूँ. ठीक है, ABC दिया हुआ है तो आई एम टेकिंग ABC ओनली. क्लियर? So this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So it would be IA, this would be IB, and this would be IC, right? So now we need to apply mesh analysis. Like suppose here the current flowing is I1 and here the current flowing is I2, correct? So here the voltage between A and B would be VAB, voltage between B and C would be VBC, right? So in this case it would be minus ZR, positive negative na, I1, then positive negative minus ZB into I1 minus I2, and then we have to take the second sign, plus VAB is equals to 0. Okay, positive negative, positive negative. So minus ZC into I2 plus minus, so plus VBC minus ZB into I2 minus I1 is equals to 0. Correct? So we'll have the value for ZA. So this is ZA, ZB, ZC. Correct? And we are having the value of VAB, VBC, right? So what we are left with the variable I1 and I2, correct? Current in the neutral means sum of all phasor current, like it would be IA plus IB plus IC. This one is the vector addition is equals to IN. Okay, ideally neutral current should be equals to 0. That means there is no leakage. If there is some amount of current flowing in neutral, that means there is some leakage over there. Okay, clear?